has been pleasant. A lot of reasons why. Ito sa contingent of participants and officials for the AAP Rally of Lubang. So sama-sama kami. Secondly, there were already signs of good, improved weather, which made us feel positive about favorable weather conditions when we get to the island. And thirdly, we felt that the island of Lubang, the people of the island of Lubang, were anticipating the arrival of anything related to the AAP Rally of Lubang, and they were all excited. Feedback has been quite positive, highly positive. People are excited. People are happy that we are here. So I'm really crossing my fingers. We run this rally. Everybody will be happy. And we aim to come back.
This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling.
Naku, masayang-masaya po ako sapagkat ito na po yung pinaghirapan namin ng matagal na pinagplanuhan namin ang kulang na 2 taon at ngayon po magaganap na ang first inter-island rally in Philippine Motorsports history dito po sa aming bayan ng Lubang. Kaya talagang iba po ang pakiramdam, nakakapangilabot at parang hindi namin akalain na mangyayari sa aming bayan ito.
Gustong-gusto naming maulit muli kahit ilang daan, ilang libong beses. Tanggap, welcome kayo sa Lubang. Binigyan nyo ng kasiyahan ang mga tao rito. Binigyan nyo ng pag-asa ang mga Lubangenyos na magkameron ng ganitong event. Kaya sana maulit palagi itong ganitong klase ng event.
Give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment.
Sa pagbiyak ko AAP, gusto ko pasalamatan ang ulang-ulan si Mayor Mike. Mayor Mike, maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap ng init yung pagtanggap sa amin lahat. Buong Tagaluma, maraming salamat.
Stop me, go hard like I got an inner in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark. We raw, wanna go hard, gone. Two sis goodbye, I got a world to see. My girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer now. I never ever did it for the throne. That validation.
Yun nga, at least nasama ko dun sa yung ginawa ng AAP na first talaga na inter-island na rally. Nakasama ko. So, excited na ako talaga. So, gusto ko na rin magsimula yung race. Yun.
And then we keep marching ourselves. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is
Sport of rallying na binuhay ulit namin ngayon, natulungan niyo kami. Natulungan niyo kami na i-promote ang rallying. Ang hindi niyo po siguro na realize, kayo rin po pinakita niyo sa buong Pilipinas at sa pinagkakalawan namin lahat sa buong mundo na meron isla sa Luzon, meron Lubang Island.